Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AVXL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice price movement today on the chart, which does bring up a very logical question, and that question revolves around the fact that, is there any sort of true power behind the move? Again, I think we can all agree that when you consider where the price was going into today and where it ultimately closed, any rational person is going to say, yeah, this was definitely a nice move on the bull's part. But is there any sort of genuine power behind it? Is this the start of something bigger? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it's all about this point right here at, what is that, $4.10. Why is $4.10 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that if this is the start of something bigger, if this breakout does have genuine power, well, then it's going to keep on breaking out. Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if this is a true breakout, the price is not going to go back to where it was because that would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $4.10. Any sort of closes below it or worse it up, the price separates to the downside. What would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back, does something like this, and then heads back up. So even after a pullback like that, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one, well, I guess you could say that set of lows down there. You picture each one of those as stair steps. Well, you still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the sign of a strong move, making progress forward. And in this case, I'm defining and quantifying the statement, making progress, as $4.10. I'm not going to talk about levels of resistance because in my opinion, at least, breaking levels of resistance, not a huge priority right now. Top priority for the chart right now is just go through a healthy consolidation and build a higher base, because as long as there's higher bases being built over time, the long-term chart will take care of itself. So no doubt about it, very nice way to start off the week. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.